Some equivalencies between fractions and decimals are very common, and it's much easier to do the math if you can just memorize them. So for example, if you're using a measuring tape that's in feet and inches, you'll be measuring 1/4 of an inch or 3/4 of an inch or 5/8 of an inch and so on. And sometimes you need to be able to convert those fractions to decimals in order to make some calculations. And it's much easier if you just know what the equivalency is. So this longer line between 3 and 4 inches, for example, represents 1/2, and 1/2, as we should know, is 0.5 inches. And these second longer lines are the 1/4 inch marks. So this first one is 1/4 of an inch, and you should know that 1/4 is equal to 0.25. And this longer line is 3/4 of an inch, and you should know that 3/4 is 0.75. And these are just some of the equivalencies that you should memorize. So here are some common equivalencies you should know. You should know that 1/8, and notice that sometimes when fractions are typed they look like this instead of one over the other. 1/8 is equal to 0.125, 1/5 is equal to 0.2, 1/4 is the same as 0.25, 1/3 is equal to 0.33, and it's got the line over it because it's repeating, so it would be 0.333 and on forever. 2/5 is equal to 0.4. 1/2 is the same as 0.5. 5/8 is 0.625. 2/3 is 0.66, and again that's repeating. So you could round that off to like 0.667, and you'll see that commonly. 3/4 is equal to 0.75, and 7/8 is equal to 0.875.